Y'all, getting ready for a rally. I'm leaving in 3 days. What do you think? I looked at my tire, and the front tire was close to the wear bars, and the trip's about, close to 4,000 miles. So I thought, I probably ought to get a new tire. It's an American Elite. The tire's fine. The bearings are kind of notchy. It feels like it's, I don't know. It's not good. So I gotta put new bearings in there. So but we're gonna get that done. So I'm just gonna go pick up some at my local shop here. Cycle Gear said those. He said, yeah, I noticed that, but I thought they were okay. Really? They're not okay. We're gonna replace them. I'll get that done, and the bike should be finito this afternoon. Stay tuned. It's gonna happen soon, I promise.